Might be making a cameo because I can't really take this out.
Yes, you can.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I just wanted to see. So in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I love you.
I love you too.
No cameo.
You definitely are going to be making. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. So today we are doing some advent calendars. I am planning on opening these once a day, so every day from here on out there will be a new video. I'm going to be doing the first 2 days of December because yesterday I had a final and I did not have the motivation to try to film a video. So we are going to be doing this from now on, and I will open up the first 2 days today. I will also be trying out the tea. So this one is David's Tea, which I believe is a US brand. I should look this up so I know. And Simply Now Logical, who is a Canadian YouTuber, loves them, and so I found it, and I was like, I kind of want to try it because I like tea. So I'm excited to try some new flavors and maybe find some new favorites here. And then the other one that I got is a beauty calendar from Belk, which is kind of like a clothing store if you don't know what that is. But yeah, I also ordered another one, but it hasn't come in yet, so hopefully it'll come in. And when it does, I will be sure to open up all of the days. I might do that as a separate video, but I'll make sure to catch up so that way you guys can also see, and I'll be doing taste tests of those. And that's from Joe and Steph's Gourmet Popcorn. It's a UK brand, so hopefully that'll be coming in soon. I know it's shipped, it's just taking a bit longer than the others. So why don't we get started? All right. So I haven't even opened these yet, so I'm excited to. Okay, so when we open it up, ooh, it has like these little doors. Oh, it smells so good. It has stuff written in French, so maybe this is a Canadian brand. I should probably look that up. This smells so good. Oh, the numbers are out of order. Where's one? Oh, there's one. Okay. That's so cute. Like, look how cute this is. I love the color scheme. Okay. So let's see. Day number 1 is this one right here. Oh, I like the fact that they're like little drawers. That's really bright. Let me turn down the brightness for you guys so you guys can see it. Here's number 1. And this says, "Let it snow." And so on the back it explains like a bunch of different information. So let it snow. Just peachy, let me find it. Let It Snow is a green tea. It has one little dot for low, so it's low caffeine. It has candied pineapple, green tea, black currants, apple, cinnamon. Ooh, that sounds really good. White chocolate. It contains milk and soy, so that gives a lot of good descriptions. And this says it's a product of the US, so comes in this cute little container, and it says it like there. So that's number 1. All right, and I'll put it back so that way we know which one it is. And then number 2 is this one, and this one is called Organic Cinnamon Rooibos Chai. I definitely just messed that up. This one is there's no caffeine. It's caffeine free. And it has rooibos, which I have no idea what that means. But we'll figure it out. And it has cinnamon, apple, natural cinnamon flavor, and it's kosher. So that's cool. Again, this one, it has like a little bit of like a different look to it than the other one did. But I'm excited to try those out for you guys. I'll post a clip of me trying them out and let me know what, I'll let you guys know what I think of them. With my 2 cups of tea. This was day 1, the Let It Snow. It's kind of a weird, I can't really show you without dumping it, but it's like a weird kind of like greeny color. Can you see that? It smells good. Alright, so this one was the green tea one, I believe. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the green tea. It's pretty good. I'm not usually a big green tea person, but I don't mind this one. I give that one like a 7 out of 10. Not my favorite. I probably wouldn't buy it for myself, but it's not bad. So if someone were to make it for me, I would definitely drink it. So definitely a 7. Alright, the next one is the one that I cannot say. The organic cinnamon rooibos chai. And the cool thing is there's some like leftover in here, which I don't know if that was supposed to happen or not, but it was overfilling my tea steeper, so I don't know if that's normal or not. But this one's like a darker color. See? Got a nice brownish red. Smells like cinnamon. Alright, let's do the taste test. It's okay. Okay, I'm liking it a lot better. There we go. The first couple of sips weren't as flavorful as I was expecting them to be, but the last few have been better. You can definitely taste the cinnamon. I'm usually not a huge fan of like overpowered cinnamon flavor, so I'm not a huge fan of like Big Red or like what is it, Fireball or anything like that. I'm usually not a fan of that flavor, but this one doesn't overdo it, so it's not bad. I was expecting not to like it as much because of like how strong that cinnamon flavor is when the smell of the tea was very strong in the cinnamon, so I was worried that that was going to come across in taste as well. Yeah, I would give this an 8, honestly, which surprises me because I was expecting to give it like a 5. So, yeah. Alright, now let's go do the beauty advent calendar. So, now that we've tried the teas, we're on to the beauty calendar. We're going to start with day 1, which is over here. These ones are a little bit more of the difficult ones because you have to rip at it. Oops, I'm already ripping the box. This is a good start. Alright, I'm putting it down here because I'm not skilled enough to hold it and do it at the same time. Oh, this one, they got a cute little brush. It's like this big. It has like a little fluff. It's a little bit of a stiffer brush right now, but I'm sure once you start using it, it'll be good. I honestly have no idea different makeup brushes what they're for, so I can't tell you what this one's for. And then day number 2 is this small one right here. So we're gonna push in and rip. Oh, sweet. Anywho, So I got nail clippers. I have nail clippers obviously, but it's always good to have extra. They're pretty gold color, so it's always good to have more. But it's kind of a little bit of a weak start in my opinion, but you know, it's a cheap beauty calendar. I can't remember how much it is, but I'll put the price up here to let you guys know. And I'll do the same thing with the David's Tea as well. Yeah. So let's go try. Can't really try this out, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, it's going to be a daily series, so I'll be uploading a video every day. They'll probably be a lot shorter than this one. And everyone will have like a mini intro of just like what is what, but it won't be as long as today's intro. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, but I won't be doing fun facts after these videos because I do not have that many fun facts about myself. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye.